Down there, and it's going to shoot your rocket into space. You can be an astronaut, right? High five. You ready to fly a rocket for the first time?
Yeah.
Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, launch.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, hold it down.
I pushed that button on that control, and I made it go up, and it felt so glorious.
So this is our annual Rocket Day. We have over 500 kids registered, hundreds of kids and parents here today. This is where we teach kids about force, motion, and thrust, and let them know that the rocketry industry in America starts right here in New Orleans.
I hope students today walk away with the message that this is how you do it. This is how you explore opportunities that are going to push your perspectives and show you different futures. Students continue pushing themselves into spaces, into experiences that showcase different futures that they can all absolutely achieve.
Love Rocket Day. I remember when we first started it with our boys when they were on TV and talking about Rocket Day and all the things that, you know, all the different types of rockets that we have out here. And what's also really brings me joy is seeing kids out here with their parents, just meeting other kids and learning about rockets, learning about science, and it's just a fun day.
Push it and hold it. That was cool, huh? Yeah. What is this?
A rocket.
The rocket. What happened to the rocket when you push the button?
It goes up.
There you go. It went up in the air.
What'd you think, huh? What'd you think?
Exactly.
That's good.
I can't even list the number of ways. It's just so integral. I mean, my children love science. We certainly do not get enough of it. And STEM Nola just increases the level of creativity, allows my kids to think outside of the box. And that's so important because you want your children to be able to figure out what viable alternatives are in their life in general. And, you know, if they're ever in a tight spot, we always need to make sure that our kids are not just thinking straight ahead, but really what's to the right, what's to the left of them. And that's what science and that's what STEM really teaches.
No, the parachute. No. Wait, I think it did. Yeah, it did.
So this is an invaluable event for the state of Louisiana and the city of New Orleans in general. It's an opportunity for children to come out and participate and learn beyond what they get the chance to learn in their classrooms at their schools. These are the type of programs that we need in the state of Louisiana. These are the type of programs that we should support as a legislature, and I'm really happy to be here and happy to do that.